Children, today I am going to start a very important topic of the chapter Taste and Measurement in Sports. And today's topic is measurement of cardiovascular fitness. What is the topic? Measurement of cardiovascular fitness. Children, according to your syllabus, there are two methods. The first method is Harvard step test. Okay, Harvard step test. So I am going to start the first test, Harvard step test, to measure cardiovascular fitness. Before start to Harvard step test, children, I will discuss about what is cardiovascular fitness. What did you know about cardiovascular fitness? Cardiovascular fitness is the ability of the heart and lungs to supply oxygen. Cardiovascular fitness is the ability of the heart and lungs to supply oxygen to working tissues and the ability of the muscles to use that oxygen to produce energy for movements. Cardiovascular fitness is the ability of the heart. It is the ability of heart and lungs to supply oxygen to working tissues. Means when we perform any activities, increase the demand of oxygen. And oxygen produce energy for movement to perform activity need of oxygen. And this type of fitness is required to sustain physical activity. Or it can be said that cardiovascular fitness is essential for us to perform aerobic activities. This type of the fitness is required to sustain physical activity, or it can be said that the cardiovascular fitness is essential for us to perform aerobic activities. Children, what is the aerobic activity? Aerobic activities is a type of the activities when we perform in the presence of oxygen. Okay, those activities we perform in the presence of oxygen known by aerobic activities. Just I have discussed in starting, there are two tests in your syllabus to measure cardiovascular fitness. To measure cardiovascular fitness, Harvard step test, and the another test is Rockport test. But today I will teach you only Harvard step test. What is the Harvard step test? This test was developed by Brahua in 1943 to measure the cardiovascular fitness. In 1943, Brahua was developed a test. That test is known by Harvard step test. This test is a good test to measure cardiovascular fitness or aerobic fitness to recover after strenuous exercise. This test is good test to measure cardiovascular fitness or aerobic fitness to recover after strenuous exercise. Strenuous means hard activities, fast activities. Okay, what is the purpose of this test? The purpose of the test is to measure cardiovascular fitness. Children, when you organize any test, needs of the some equipments. So organize the Harvard step test needs of the some equipments. So to perform or to take this test, equipment required. Equipments required to organize this test. A gym bench, that bench used by the athlete in the gymnasium hall. It should be 45 centimeter or 17 inches high for movements. This test is prepared to check cardiovascular fitness. So for the women, it should be some less than high to the males, and for the males 50 centimeter or the 20 inches for men. High. Okay, in the condition by chance you organize this test in your school, check the stairs. When gym bench are not available, you can take this test on the stairs. Okay, stopwatch. Stopwatch is must to calculate the timing. Measuring tape. An assistant. Or helper. It is very important to organize this test. Okay, to organize this test, gym bench, it should be 45 centimeter or the 17 inches for the females, 50 centimeter or the 20 inches high for the men, one stopwatch, one measuring tape, and one assistant or helper is must. Okay, procedure of test. Before take this test, warming up is must. Warming up must for athlete before this test conduct. Okay, then all the athletes should be stand in front of gym bench or stairs. There you will organize this test. The first point, on the command, start or go, your teacher or your instructor or that person will organize this test, will give a command start or go. Then students start to step up and down. On the bench. And it should be at a rate of 30 steps per minute. Means each minute you will step 30 up and 30 down. Each when you will be step 1 up and 1 down, then you will count one stepping. Just your commander or the teacher will speak start or go. Assistant starts the stopwatch. Why? To calculate your timing. And it should be in same timing. Next important point, duration of stepping up and down in minutes. Okay, and it should be continued 5 minutes. How many time you will be perform stepping? 5 minutes. Or these activities goes on until exhaustion. Till you will not be tired. Next procedure is athlete sit down immediately. Athlete sits down immediately after 5 minutes. Next, the assistant also will stop the stopwatch. Again start from the starting time, and assistant measure your heart beat. Heart rate. Okay, and this heartbeat you will give the name. Pulse 1. What is the pulse 1? For 1 minute after completion of the last stepping. And pulse 1, and you will counted only 30 seconds, because when we will count it the 1 minute, you will not get the exact, and you will double it to write in your copy for a record. Just when you will be start stepping completed 5 minutes, you will sit and assistant will count, and it should be between 1 to 1.5 minutes. Okay, 1 to 1.5 minutes means you can give the 30-second rest. Okay, then you will make the pulse 2. Here you will take 1 to 1.5 minutes. Again you will count heart rate. After 2 minutes recovery. In the first 1 to 1.5 minutes, left them for 30 seconds. Again you will be start counting, just will completed 2 minutes. Rest period is known by the recovery. Again you will counted here only 30 seconds and make double it. Then pulse third. After 3 minutes recovery of athlete. Children, you will getting how many pulse rate? Pulse 1. I am going on the back page. Pulse 1 for 1 minute after completion of the last stepping. You will counted only 30 seconds between 1 to 1.5 minutes. Then you will make the record of the pulse second, then pulse third. Pulse second after 2 minute recovery, third pulse after 3 minute recovery. You will count 30 seconds and multiply 2. You will be get the ratio. What is the calculation procedure? Calculation procedure. Calculation procedure. Children, the athlete fitness index score is calculated with the help of following formula. Children, Brahua has given the two formulas. Please see carefully. It is very important for you for the examination also, because out of the two, one will come in board examination. Harvard step test. Harvard step test fitness index. That person has given the name. It is very important for you. Long term or half minute formula. Long term or the half minute formula, and you will get it in your question also. Harvard step test fitness index is equal to 100 multiply duration of activity, and duration should be in second, upon 2 multiply sum of heartbeats. In recovery period, like pulse 1, 2 and 3. The first formula to check the Harvard step cardiovascular fitness, long term or the half minute formula, 100 multiply duration of the activity, it should be in the second. 2 upon 2 multiplies sum of the heartbeats in recovery period. Okay. The second formula, this is the formula number 1. Okay. The second, fitness index. Short term or 1 minute. Okay, it is very important. In the first question, sorry, first formula, you have got here see here, half minute formula are the long term. Second is short term or 1 minute. Formula is equal to, it is very important for your knowledge, 100 multiply duration of activity. Okay, 100 multiply duration of activity, it should be in second, upon 5.5 multiply pulse count between 1 to 1.5 minutes during recovery period. First formula, 100 multiply duration of activity in second upon 2 multiply sum of heartbeats in recovery period, pulse 1, pulse 2, pulse 3. You will add when you will get the question long term of the or the half minute formula. Fitness index short term or 1 minute formula. 1 minute formula tells 100 multiply duration of activity in second upon 5.5 multiply pulse count between 1 to 1.5 minutes, means 1.5 minutes. Children, how you will understand? So I have given here the two examples. See here, the first example, calculate the physical fitness index in using SART formula. What is the SART formula, children? SART formula is second formula. What is the second formula? 100 multiply duration short term. SART formula, 1 minute 100 multiply duration of activity upon 5.5 pulse count between 1 to 1.5. Such type of the indication you will get in the question. Calculate the physical fitness index using SART formula of the 15 years old boy having completed Harvard step test for a duration, you have got here 3 minutes, pulse rate of the 54 beats for 1 to 1.5. Which formula you will use? Fitness index. Short term formula is equal to 100 multiply duration of activity. It should be in second, but here given the minutes, you will convert it upon 5.5 multiply pulse count between 1 to 1.5 minutes. Children, everything are here. Duration of the activities 3 minutes. Pulse count between pulse rate of 54 beats for 1 to 1.5 minutes. Everything you have got here. Okay, so you will use, then I will discuss about the other formula. Okay. According to the question, 100 multiply duration of activity 3 minutes. It should be in second. Multiply 60 upon 5.5. Pulse rate, what is the pulse rate? 54. So you will write here 54. Okay, it is very easy. Hundred multiply 3 into 60 is equal to 180 upon 5.5 multiply 54. Children, when you will calculate it, you will get it 60.60. Okay, when you will be calculate 60.60, it is the index, and you will be calculated it also. But before checking your cardiovascular fitness, I will discuss about the example 2. Example 2, see here, calculate the fitness index of the sprinter through half minute formula. Half minute formula is also known by the long term. After 5 minutes, Harvard step test his pulse were 85, 79, 81 beats per minute during recovery period. Children, everything you will get in your question. So how, which formula you will be write here? First, fitness index. Fitness index half minute. Question tells half minutes. Fitness index half minute formula. I have wrote here. I am going to the page number 9. Both formula I have wrote here. Due to the space, I have wrote in the second formula in the very small letters. What is the formula? 100 multiply duration of the activity. In the both question, both type of the question, activity should be in the second. But in the question, both question have given in the minutes. 2 multiply sum of the heartbeats. Pulse 1, pulse 2, pulse 3 during recovery period. Page number 9. Okay. So which formula you have got in the page number? Page number 9. Fitness index formula is equal to 100 multiply 5 minutes duration of the activities. Sorry. Formula is 100 multiply duration of activity. Duration of activity upon 2 multiply sum of heart beats. Pulse 1, 2 and 3. This formula is used in the half minute. Children, you will not change in the formula. 100 duration of the activity is equal to minutes. So 5 multiply 60 because it should be in second upon 2 multiply sum of the pulses. Pulses is equal to, first pulse is 85, second is 29, and third is 71. Okay, 100 multiply 5 multiply 60 is equal to 300 upon 2 multiply, when you will be add here, you will get the 9 1 10 5 7 7 14 14 and 8 22 plus 1 23 235. When you will again here multiply here, please cut here get your 150 is equal to 15000 upon 235. When you will be multiply and calculate it, you will get here multiply 100 multiply 150 15,000 and 235 63.82. When you will calculate it, you will be get here 63 63.82. Again you will check the index provided by Brouwer in the Harvard step test. You will get the fitness index. In the first example, you have got the index is, how many index you have got in the first question? 60.60, and in the second 63.82. okay, so first index 60.60, in the second example 63.82, both are the male. So you will be check here, the first, the both are the coming in this category, means the both athletes are the player have low fitness. Okay, so children, such type of the question and do proper practice. It is very important for you because this question is very important. Okay, that's all. Thank you.